Hello, I am Katie Dujardin, head of the Master Degree in Biology and Health Science. If you are interested in research in the field of health, then the Master Biology and Health Science of the University of Lille is certainly for you, because it's a training by and for research in biological science applied to health. Like all masters, the training takes place over 2 years. M1 is general, with an organization specific to health students on the one hand and to biology students on the other. Specialization is coming in M2, where 6 tracks are offered. A track dedicated to anatomy, another one to neuroscience, a track around diabetes and associated diseases, a track dedicated to oncology, another one related to immunity, inflammation, infection, and finally a track dedicated to precision health. The lessons are spread over 4 terms. The objective of the first term is to learn and strengthen basic knowledge. The second term allows you to discover the specializations offered in M2 in order to guide your choice. A short research traineeship offers a first experience of laboratory life. In M2, all lessons take place in the third term. They focus mainly on the specialty you have chosen. And the last term is completely devoted to a research internship, during which you run a research project supervised by a senior researcher. The skills to develop are those of a junior researcher. At the end of the curriculum, you are ready to start a PhD. That means you are able to contribute to a research activity in biology and health, to design an experiment in your specialty area, to implement an experimental approach, to analyze and interpret data, as well as to communicate in English on scientific contents. These skills are acquired through teaching and periods of practice, divided into 5 blocks of knowledge and skills. Block 1 corresponds to the theoretical lessons of M1. These are electives. They are tagged to help you choose your M2 specialization. Block 2 corresponds to the theoretical lessons of M2. You acquire in-depth knowledge in the specialty area you have chosen. In Block 3, lessons are common to all specialties. Initiation to research and technological workshops in M1, biostatistics, ethics and regulation in M2. Blocks 4 includes the M1 and M2 internships, and with Block 5 you get the tools and methods of scientific communication through lessons of English language and scientific lectures in M1. In M2 you learn to communicate about your research project. If you want more details on the content specific to the 6 tracks offered, do not hesitate to visit our website, the address of which appears at the bottom of the screen. you will probably find answers to most of your questions. For any additional questions, do not hesitate to contact us. We hope that this presentation has convinced you and that we will meet you soon among our trainees. Thank you for your attention.